Okay, today, as always, feeding our chickens lentils. This is every day. Okay, today I'm going to show you how quick I can take care of my quail. Okay. It's going to be, the video is going to take longer than it's going to take me to take care of. But anyway, that's what we're going to do. We're going to go out and I'm going to show you how fast this quail system works. These quail cage systems that I built work. And the little bit of maintenance I have to do. Okay. That's what we're going to do today. Okay, the question is, how easy is it with my setup to take care of my quail? All right, chicken. We got chickens in here too, of course. Okay. That's just a grow out pen with chickens. Okay, how easy is it to take care of the quail? Very easy. Okay, what I do is, all right. You see the eggs roll down? All right. There's no cleaning for the wire cage. These don't have to be cleaned. Okay. This is an example. This was in here. This was in the quail cage for 4 weeks. And it has not been cleaned. Okay. I take it out once a month and I disinfect it. That's why they're out. Okay. So there's no cleaning. Other than that, now the other cleaning would be here. All right. I take my trays and I just simply scrape. I just take a drywall scraper and it easily scrapes off of this plastic and it goes in the compost. Okay. And I'll wash those down and disinfect them. And I got some here that are clean, and these will go take its place while I'm cleaning these, and I disinfect them, like I said. Okay, so that's simple. But on a daily basis, okay, when I come out, this is what I do. All right, I have my feed in bags like this. And yes, I'm still grinding my feed. If you look at some of my videos, I'll show you that. Okay, I come out here and I put feed in the feeder. Now I just usually come up to the top of those wires. Okay. In other videos you'll see how I made these feeders, or I put them together. Okay. Don't go farther than the wires because I found the feed doesn't slide down, go down. And I push it down with my hand a little bit. Okay. So I put feed. Of course I pick up the eggs. All right. The water is automatic. Okay. See the water back there, and I have a whole video on that. The water is the end of the line, runs and it's fed through that bucket over there. Okay. So I don't have to do anything with the water. So when I come out, okay, I put the feed and pick up the eggs on a daily basis. That's it. The water's automatic. You don't have to do anything with the water. Don't have to clean anything. This is, I clean this probably once a month. Well, not quite, maybe once every 3 weeks. Okay. And I'll just scrape that just like I showed you. So that's all there is to the birds. So to take care of the quail, all I have to do, pick up the eggs and put the feed. Everything else is done. Okay? Everything else is, that's it. This is the quickest and easiest way to take care of quail. Now, I have a 10 video series on how to build this cage. Okay? This is my design. Okay? I'm not the first one to do roll out for eggs, but my design. Now the eggs roll real good on this right here. Okay. Don't bite me, Quail. Don't peck me. See this right here? They'll, oh, silly Quail. The eggs roll great on that. And the poo don't stick to it. The poo goes right to it, if you can see down here. They don't have to be clean. This bird's in isolation. He got beat up fighting the other birds. So he's got his own pen. So he's just now starting to eat. And you see the blood on his head. He's gonna be okay. And he's got his own water by himself. Okay. So that's the simple part of it. Okay. Pick up the eggs. Now I'm getting a dozen, 10 to 12 eggs a day right now. Okay. And I have, I'm thinking 14 females. Or I might have less. Might have 13. I think I got 13 females. Anyway, I'm picking up a dozen eggs a day. So they're doing their job. And I'm keeping the light on, of course. Now the light's off, that's all automatic. These lights on automatic, so I don't have to fool with the lights. So, come out, feed, pick up the eggs, and you're done. Of course I check the birds and I'll sit here and I'll watch them a little while and see how they're doing, if they got any problems. But I'm getting a lot of eggs from just these few quail. And they're starting to mate. They're starting to mate, so. I got 15 hours light a day. So. But anyway, they've been mating. I said they're starting to mate. They've been mating. Okay. So that's the easy part of it. That's all you got to do. All right. Easy peasy. This is the cage system. I love it. I love it. If you got the water inside, from keeping birds, you know the biggest pain is the water and the feed. They get it dirty, and if you got any kind of bedding in there, they're gonna get it everywhere. You got to change the bedding. Here, you don't have to change anything. Just come out, pick up your eggs, put the feed, and you're done. I'll make sure the water is still working, and I'll make sure all the birds are good. Like I said, I had to move this bird over here. But they're all doing good. So that's how you do it. How we do it here. Easiest way to keep quail, as far as I'm concerned. I've kept quail for many years, and if you watch my videos, you'll see. And I built this cage. There's no wood in it, if you notice. There's no wood in the cage. There's a 10 video series on exactly how I did it, step by step. It's kind of slow and boring, but if you're building the cage, it's not boring. If you can follow along and build your cages, and they work perfect. For me, anyway. I like them. Then I can stack them. I can put another one up here, and I can put another one down here once this grow-out pen is gone. I could actually put it. I'll probably have enough room there to put it. But anyway, I got a bunch of young birds I'm growing out right now. More chickens. But anyway, how simple can you get? Put feed, pick up eggs. Look everything over. In 2 minutes you can be out here and gone. You can be out here in 2 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, and you're done. You're done taking care of your quail. This video is way longer than the time it takes me to come out and take care of my quail. So, just want to pass that on. I have a bunch of other videos in my series. Subscribe if you want to, if you like to, if you're into this stuff. You can build a cage like this. I'd recommend them. I'd recommend them. Okay. How we do it here? Take care of our quail.